The letter F. F stands for flamingo. The flamingo was the first to set off the fireworks. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase f. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up to the right, all the way to the top line. Then swing back to the left and go all the way down past the baseline to the bottom line. This is called a descender. You can think of it as going down to the basement. Then curve up to the right and close the loop at the baseline. From here, curve up, ending in a smile. Write the letter F in the air. Let's practice. Now, let's write an uppercase F. Put your pencil on the top line and draw along the top line to the left. Then go down at a slant to the baseline. Pick up your pencil and cross this line, right along the dotted line. Now, write the letter F in the air. Let's practice. The uppercase F stands alone. It does not connect at all. Lowercase f connects with its smile. We have enough letters to write the word fade, which means to slowly disappear. Let's write fade. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills.